phrases that could help you for your visit to English speaking countries. First is for asking directions. While asking directions, you can ask questions like first, excuse me, can you help me with the directions of this place, please? Second, where is the nearest? Third, where can I find the most visited tourist spot? Fourth, where is this place located? Second is ordering food or appetizers. While ordering food and appetizers, you can ask questions like I would like to have, is this available here? What are the dishes that you would recommend? The bill, please. Before moving on towards the third one, make sure to follow Easywaylearn first so that you do not miss on amazing content and videos. Third is shopping. When you go out for shopping, these questions will definitely help you. First is, what is the price of this? Is this available in different sizes or colors? Can I try these on? I will take it. Thank you.